I'm going to show you a quick way to change the Vend price of this ESD slide. Right now it is set at $1.75. We're going to take an insert and change it to $2.25. What you're going to want to do is take off these two springs, insert the quarters, push in the slide, flip it over, and now you have access to these pieces. Take out these 3 screws. And the bar also comes off. I'm going to use a tool to push out the piece that I want to come out, and holding my fingers to stop the others from falling out. I'm holding it in place with my finger. And I'm going to pull it out. Now replace it with the insert. Put the bar back in place. Make sure the curved edges are facing up towards you. Flip it back over, close it, and let's put our springs back on. And try it, make sure it works. Right now the slide is set for $2. Each one of these inserts holds 50 cents. And we're going to take this insert and we're going to make it $2.25. First thing you're going to do is take off the 2 springs. Next, push this up a little bit, and now you have access to this screw that holds these springs. Take this out, put it to the side. Next, pull the slide out. Turn it over, and now we have access to these 3 screws. I'm going to take these out. And go ahead and take that bar out as well. Since we're increasing the price 1/4, you can see on this insert right here it says 25 cents versus these that all say 50 cents. If you're unsure, you can hold it up against each other and you can see this is more narrow. The 25-cent piece can only fit in the outside pieces. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take all the pieces out here, use my finger to try to pop it out, set to the side. Take my 25-cent piece, put it into place right here, slide this over, and take one of my inserts and put it back. Now we have 3 spacers, 50 cents, $1, $1.50, $2.25. To put everything back together, we're going to take this bar with the curved edges facing you. If you tried to put it any other way, it will not fit. Put the screws back. Put this back in. When you put it back in, careful where you place your hand. If you put it the wrong way, you will get pinched. Also, keep it at an angle and try it several times until it clicks into place. Put this piece back in that will hold our springs. Go ahead and put the springs back on. Let's go ahead and test it with the quarters. As you can see, it works. You also have the option, if you want, you could also take this and put it on the other side and have the quarters run this way. It'll work either way.